So guys, I'm discuss about the very important topic. So how we can generating for business calls on the particular using the Google AdWords, the particular ads. First of all, what does mean that? We mean by to generate the business call to the particular business persons. How we can generating ads? The ads name is called search network. That is mean by text ad option. First of all, we know about the campaign structure. This is the campaign structure for the Google AdWords. AdWords account, campaign number one, ad group, list of the keywords. This is a pattern we can follow that create the campaign. First campaign, ad group and the list of the keywords. We can start the campaign. Go to Google AdWords, google.com/AdWords, select new campaign. In this campaign, what I'm looking for business leads. Select it. The option name is called search network ad. Here we can searching for phone call option. Select the country, which country you're promoting for this. Select the country, add your mobile and continue it. You can do it in two also, website visit and phone calls. But I'm looking for only for phone calls. So I'm going to enter the phone number. After the enter phone number, they go to the second option. What is the goal will be called? Lead generation. So we can generating leads for the particular. So what is the purpose of search network, including Google search partner sites. Now where you can target. So by target here and language. Also select language, audience. Any particular audience you have to select. Select the particular audience. But I'm not selecting the particular audience. So how much your per day budget? I'm selecting for 2000 per day budget. Next, what is the purpose of conversion and clicks? Clicks will be just showing apostrophe mark. What is the purpose of conversion? Next will be here all will be option called call out extension. Here call out extension will be there. You can add by any another phone number can add by the call out extensions here. Next, in extension will be required structure statement, lead form extension and location extension. But is not required. If you require, you can add by the particular option. This is the first structure. Which one? Campaign setup will be done. Next will be what we can go for ad group. These are we can follow this. First, second step, last step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth, seven. Then next will be save and continue. Next they go to where ad group option. In ad group will be adding the particular keywords. So keywords just I'm writing for particular some keywords. Digital marketing. Just I'm only for example purpose add these keywords. And the search network will be matching will be three matches: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. What is that? I'll show you on the screen. These are the particular matches: exact match, broad match, and the phrase match. Keyword: an exact term and a close variation of the exact term. Synonyms: related, searches, and other related variation. Phrase match: the phrase close variation of the phrase. I'll give example. This is a broad match. If you're searching this one, any find out the particular ad, they show your ad. Second, phrase match. Compulsory what we search, the phrase will be compulsory match. Third one, exact match. What you can search, same keyword match for your particular ad. That is called in this three ads will be here. Next, here I'm adding for few more keywords. Why? Because I can show by things. So minimum we can add by the 15 above keyword you can add by particular each group. Here, one group is finished. Save and continue. And one more option is called we can create multiple groups. We can create multiple groups. But right now I'm creating only for one group here. So here, the showing will be particular ad only for mobile users. The ad will be only for mobile user option. You can see this one. You can hear No ad will be created. Just you can add a final URL. And headline 1, headline 2, business name, description 1, and description 2. We are writing for headline will be 2, description will be 2. Headline will be each character will be 30 characters, description will be each will be 90 characters. Just I'm writing here. So all information will be writing here. So the only writing for description, one option. So here. Hyderabad. So if you want the call reporting is required, click for on option. So this is your call reporting option. Now here, use our account setting, call for ads, call for the smart campaign. So here, so how we can show the customer will be this get call option we can visible by only for mobile users. You can see clearly they visible by the mobile user. Call for ads. You can see. We can go finally visit website also. There are two benefits. They can generating traffic for your website and generating for business calls. Here are the options. None require anything. So we can creating for done. If you want to create another ad, click for another ad, particular another number also. Save and continue. After campaign will be finished, you have to set by the matches, broad, exact, and phrase match. So now we'll be going to campaign here. Just you have to wait for the verification purpose. Campaign was done. Select back. First of all, select your campaign. Your group is there. If you want to create another group, click for another group will be here. That is called each campaign you can create a number of ad groups. Each ad group you can create a number of keyword. In this keyword, we have selecting for matches. Which one? Broad, phase, and exact match. Based on requirement, each keyword can select by the three matches. Which is required for broad match, which is required for exact match, which is required for phase match. So I'll go with this. Simple. You can select and save it. When phrase is the matching for SEO, the ad will be shown to will be customers. In SEO before and after, you can write any keyword, no worry about that. They will show your ad will be particular Google search results. This will be showing for exact match. When people searching for exact match, we can show your ad in the particular option will be there. So these are we compulsory you can follow on the particular Google AdWords search network ads. This is a purpose of you can generating for business leads by call, by you can generating for website traffic also. This is mean by to the generating calls by particular your business.